Hello folks, this is Review channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a blessed day. Today we make a dish. It's called the boiled asparagus. Chinese name called 白灼芦笋. The main ingredients we need a bunch of asparagus and 4 cloves of garlic, 1 scallion, a small piece of carrot, peeled carrot. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut a scallion. This scallion already washed and peeled dead leaves. We cut it right off and already take the dead leaves. So we cut it like this. Then we cut the stem. The stem we cut like this. So first cut from the middle, then put it like this. Just try to cut as same as possible. So the final will be like this. This is the stem part. For the leaf part, we just put it here, just cut it like this, just keep going. Try to cut as thin as possible. The leaf also will be like this. This is the green onion or scallion we get. Okay, we cut the carrots. The carrots, the small carrot, cut this bottom off. Okay, then we cut it. We go like this. Just be careful. We'll try as thin as possible. Just cut it as thin as possible. Possible. So the final will be like this. This is the carrots we get. Okay, this garlic I already peeled and we just cut the bottom off. Cut off. Okay, then we smash it. You can smash like this or you can like this. Put knife on top. Just squeeze it like this. Just better, so we just cut it. Try to cut as small as possible. If not, we will chop it, so don't worry. We'll chop it. Add it to the This is the garlic we get. Okay, we cut as asparagus. So first we just make it down, and the bottom part we will cut it some parts off, probably 1 inch off. 1 inch off. This, if you want to eat it, you also can eat it, but it have a lot of fibers. Then you need to cut it very small, then you can eat it. This is asparagus we get. We add 2/3 a pot of the cold tap water, turn on the stove, high fire. Put the lid on until the water is boiling. We will process our vegetables. Okay, when the water is boiling, we add the asparagus into the hot water, in the boiling water to cook it. When we process it, we don't need to put the lid on. Just let it open. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. And don't cover the lid and watch the asparagus. And when it's cooked, you can try it. When it's cooked, then just do the next step. After cook well, you can see the asparagus rather looks very green, and the water is kind of have color. And now we try it to see if it's fully cooked or not. We don't want to overcook it. I think it's fully cooked. We turn off the stove. We go to drain this water in the sink. Drain the water and then use the cold water to soak the asparagus. We drain the hot water and re-soak the asparagus in the cold tap water. Let it cool down. Just leave here. When the asparagus and cool down, now we drain the water. After drain the water, we put the asparagus into the plate. Make it like this, so it looks beautiful. Okay, after this we make the sauce for the asparagus. This is the soy sauce, and we add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce to the bowl. This is the oyster sauce. If you are people allergic to the seafood, you don't add. We add 1 teaspoon. Don't want too much. Now we mix it. Mix well. We add it to the plate which has the asparagus. Okay, we put the asparagus at the side, and we need to put some hot oil on the top. Before I put the hot oil, this is the garlic and the carrots and the cilantro just on the top. So with this enough, we don't need to add all to it. Okay, we put it aside. Then we heat some hot oil. Turn on the stove. High fire. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup, I think a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil, olive oil, any vegetable oil is okay. And 1/2 cup. Just heat it until the oil is hot enough to can fry. We can add a piece of green onion scallion into it to see the oil is ready or not. The oil right now start frying, so we just heat a little longer. And the oil is a little hotter. Okay, I think it's enough. Then we turn off the stove. Be very careful. Remove the asparagus here, then put the hot oil on top. Okay. So this dish is done. So the boiled asparagus, Chinese name called 白灼芦笋, and this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.